day. Y'all know the Glam Princess is, and you know why? Because y'all are here with me. So that makes my day a beautiful day, blessed day. So I thank you all for tuning in. And y'all, since we family and all, let's be friends as well. So y'all follow me on my other social media, and I'll link it in the description. And y'all, let's communicate. You know, let's talk. Let's be family. So y'all, we're gonna get into this DIY. This DIY is gonna be, well, actually it's gonna be two DIYs. Two. We're gonna do a wall mirror, and we're gonna do two sconces. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna use, I'm gonna tell y'all what I use. I never show this, but these are the command strips that I use. I like to buy the ones that come in different sizes, because you never know, what you're gonna use it for and how many you will need. The next thing we're going to use is our mirror tile. I got this from daflock.com. A lot of people are saying that they're out. I'm going to reach out to them and try to give y'all information on when they will have certain things in stock and everything, because everybody is like asking for this tile. And a lot of people say that it is expensive, but for the projects that you will be able to do with the tile, it really, and you can keep reusing it, so it's kind of like an investment. So I mean, I think it's a great buy. So all we're going to do is set up our tile on the mirror, and we're going to go around the entire mirror. Glam fam, so now we got it set up the way we want it. So now the only thing we have to do is glue the towel down to the mirror. Glam Fam. So this is how our mirror is turning out, y'all. It is awesome already. Even if it ain't clean, honey, it is awesome already. So let me just say that if you are going to do this project and you're going to keep it, then I recommend that you use some heavy duty glue. I only use hot glue because I reuse everything. I reuse the mirror, the tiles, and you know, it makes it easier to take off and reuse. I am going to hang this up and let you all see, but first we got to get into our second DIY, which is our sconces. Okay, Glam Fam, so in this DIY we are going to use our 4x6 frame. I got this from Walmart. Our Dollartree candle. We're going to use, this is a like a card holder for a table, like if you're having an event. I got that from Amazon. We're going to use this Dollar Tree solar light. We're going to use our tiles. And we're also going to use our mosaic tiles that I got from efavormart.com. And this little round mirror that I got by bulk at Walmart. And glue sticks and glue gun. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to glue our tile down to our picture frame. Okay, Glam fam, so this is the end result of our mirror and sconces. Y'all, it is so pretty. I really think this was a very simple and elegant DIY. I hope you all like this. I really do. So if you do, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.